Hello my mermaids, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Q and I would love for you to join the family if you enjoyed this video and become a part of the C squad. We call ourselves mermaids over here. Today I decided that I wanted to do a low bun. Now you guys, I have thin edges. So I'm trying to learn how to work with the thin edges and fine edges. So I decided that I wanted to do a low bun. A lot of you guys already know that my hair has grown back from being cut completely bald. So I'm learning how to work with my hair and do different styles and you know, disguise the thin edges over here and over here as well. This is a good look if you have thin edges, not very much edges at all. You can disguise it and bring it down like this, and I show you how to do that in today's video. Before we get into the next section of this video, I want to let you guys know that you guys know how I am on perfume. I always got to tell y'all what I'm wearing. The Versace Dylon Blue. This smells unbelievable. I mean, you can wear this every day, all day. This can be your signature scent, literally anything, and it smells incredible. If you guys want a review on this, let me know. So that is the perfume of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Also, if you guys are interested in this look and you want me to recreate it for you, please let me know. I was feeling like something dramatic, extra. That is just the mood that I have been in lately. Always wear your perfume and feel beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I enjoy creating this look for you. You can wear any style that you want to wear. There's always a way around anything that you feel like cannot allow you to recreate or wear a certain hairstyle. I feel like this look is very classy. I feel super classy, and I feel like I'm gonna be rocking this style more often, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah. Okay, you guys, so I have already blow dried and oiled my scalp. So what I did was I'm gonna go ahead and take this crochet hair in 18 inches. I've connected it to this ponytail holder so that it will be easy to connect to my bun. Here I'm showing you my edges, that they are thin. They're not bald, but they're definitely thin. This is the gel that I'm going to be using, the Eco Styling Gel. One is in the black castor oil and flaxseed oil, and the other is the Extra Hold. I have my brush here, ponytail holder, and my rat tail comb. Here I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair in kind of like a V, and I'm also parting it to separate the front from the back so that it is easy to connect it to the ponytail once we gel it down. This is how I do it. I know some people are using the Got To Be spray to keep the hair in place, but I don't want any alcohol in my hair, so I'm using this gel that does not flake up on me and it does hold. So I'm just getting my part straight on each side. This is going to help me be able to gel my hair down on the sides so that it can disguise the thinning edges, well, the thin edges. And I also realized, you guys, that I got a gray hair. I just noticed it yesterday. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have a gray hair. So I am just sectioning it. I can't talk. I'm just sectioning it to apply the gel. This gel is really good. It does not turn white or flake up on me. So I'm just adding that to each part of my hair. I did add the gel last I did add the gel to the back last once I had the gel put. I did add the gel last in the back once my hair was placed in a ponytail. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix both of those gels on both sides. As you see I'm doing, I'm taking my brush. This brush is a medium bristle brush, and I'm taking the sides now and I'm smoothing it. It's much easier when you go in sections instead of trying to put it all in one ponytail. It helps to be able to make it neat and to slick it down the way you need to slick it down. So I start with the brush first, and then you're going to see me take the rat tail comb. So what I'm doing here is I'm just smoothing it, brushing it, making sure there's no lumps. I'm brushing the back as well. The gel that's on the brush, I'm using that for the back just so that that can stay in place as well. Now I'm taking my ponytail holder to smooth everything with my hand first and then gather it into a ponytail. This is not going to be a tight ponytail, but I am making sure the hair is nice and neat before I do my final ponytail to go with the style. So I'm just taking my hand, I'm brushing it and smoothing, brushing and smoothing. Making sure that there's no lumps. So now I'm just gonna take my ponytail holder and I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, not too tight, but just good enough to hold the hair back, because what you're gonna see me do next is take my rat tail comb and I'm gonna apply more gel. And I'm gonna take the rat tail comb to make sure that I cover any gaps, anywhere that you can see in my scalp, and also to slick it down even more to make it nice and neat. So this part did take me some time because I want it to be slicked down and I want it to be nice and neat. So it helps if you use your rat tail comb in those areas where your hair is thin. Just take your time, swoop it, loop it, swoop it in there real good. And the gel is really, really good. My edges are, not only are they thin, but they're also very fine. My hair is very fine in the back. Just around the entire perimeter of my hair is very fine. So I'm just taking that comb and I'm sleeking it and slicking it down, making sure that it's nice and neat the way I like it. And this is a really pretty style. It looks so sleek and professional. It looks very, very nice, very classy. It's a very classy look. Next, I have it the way I want it. So I'm going to take the ponytail holder out and I'm going to sleek it nice and tight the way I want it. I am not putting too much pressure on the back because I am working on protecting my hair in the nape area. So I'm just gathering the hair together and now I'm putting it in a tighter ponytail, but not applying too much pressure and pull on my hair. And this is how it's looking. And I'm just taking my comb to fix it and swoop it. Next, I'm going to take my scarf and I am going to wrap my hair up. I'm going to keep this on until my makeup is finished. Once my makeup is finished, I'm going to go ahead and take it off. So I would say I left the scarf on for about 30 to 40 minutes. If you want to sit under the dryer, you can, but I don't think sitting under the dryer is necessary because this gel does dry really quickly. So here is the foundation here. After I took my scarf off, here's the hair. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my bun, making sure that it's secure. And this part is extremely easy at this point. I'm just going to open it and fluff it out, and I'm going to twist it, and literally I'm just wrapping it around. You're going to see me wrap it around. I don't use any bobby pins to secure it unless there's any flyaways, which you'll see me do. But I'm holding it with my palm as I wrap it, making sure the hair is nice and straight the way I want, and I'm just literally just wrapping it. Now, if you wanted to add some bobby pins at this point with each wrap, you're more than welcome to do that. But this is how I like to do it because I don't want to use any bobby pins in my hair unless I absolutely have to. So I'm just wrapping it, and I'm tucking it within itself. And then here I'm pulling it to fluff it out because I didn't want it to look pointy. So I am taking my hands, I'm wrapping it around again, and I am fluffing it out. I'm squeezing it. It moves and squeezes the way I need it to squeeze. When I squeeze it, it does go in place the way I want it to go when I squeeze it and pull it out and fluff it out. Super, super easy. And now here I'm just using one bobby pin to secure that one piece that was sticking up. But this is the look, you guys. It's so easy. I hope you liked it. Take your time. You can do this style if you have thin edges, no edges. You just have to swoop it. And I did add a little bit of gel in the back, as you can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Talk to you later.